Good day to everyone. My name is William Hui and my metric number is S47020 and my part is part 4, which I will use the technical analysis to recommend us which stock are the best for us to do the investment. In technical analysis, we will use Sharpe ratio and Taylor ratio to form the conclusion. The conclusion from the both ratio show that we are better to invest in risk-free rate portfolio rather than in that particular investment. As we can see, the value of the ratio are all in negative. This means the stock are underperformed compared to its benchmark. And next, I will talk about how to enhance the technical analysis. To enhance it, for Sharpe and Taylor ratio, they are better to calculate as one whole portfolio compared to standalone share. And last, I will have a general suggestion for the whole analysis. In order to enhance the accuracy for the whole analysis, I suggest that the analysis time period should be extended to 1 year compared to 3-month analysis. Thank you. That's all about our group.